Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, my name is Luthando. I'll be presenting to you GoVarsity. GoVarsity is an application that offers clear, precise information for high school learners in preparing them for university. What actually we found that learners from the disadvantaged community struggle when they get there, not because of their ability, but because of not knowing the environment itself, the lifestyle, what is happening. They end up changing from one course to another, drop out, struggle. So we found that as a problem that needs to be addressed. And there are programs out there, but one thing though, they only reach a certain number of students who are regarded as the top students, but don't reach the masses. So everyone now owns a smartphone, so we thought, okay, let's develop the application whereby high school learners, even feature phones, it can also be accessed with feature phones, whereby high school learners can access the application through their phone and get every knowledge they want, the assistance from those who are already there and who are already working as professionals. Because the way I'm suffering now at university, it's not, I wouldn't like my brother to go through the process I went through. So I'm willing to do anything for him, like supporting him in whatever way. So using GoVarsity application is the platform that is open for such mentorship, such assistance, the career options, the course contents, like everything they need to get up and going at university.